So let's have a look and see the first part of lesson number 1, how to use the English definite article the in Spanish. The Spanish language has 4 definite articles, and I will explain the reason for that. In Spanish, we have 2 genders. So we have words that are masculine and words that are feminine. And then we have the number, just like in the English language. We can talk in singular if we're talking about one person or one thing, or we can talk in plural if we're talking about 2 or more people or things. And therefore, because there are 4 combinations, we have 4 definite articles. So if we're talking about something that is singular masculine, we will be using the word el. So, for example, the word book in Spanish, libro, is masculine. So to say the book, we will be saying el libro. The definite article to talk about singular feminine words is la. So, for example, the word house in Spanish is casa. So to say the house, we will be saying la casa. The plural masculine definite article would be los. So to say, for example, the boys, we would be saying los niños. And if we wanted to form the plural, the girls, we will be saying las niñas. So the 4 definite articles in the Spanish language are el, la, los, and las. So it will depend on whether we are talking in singular or plural, or whether we are using a masculine or a feminine word that we will need to use the correct article.